All right, so America is short welders right now, and Ashley, why do you think welding is more than just the skilled labor?
Well, you know, it goes way back. Years ago, someone would always say, well, you know, John Doe's not too smart, but he could probably make a welder. And that's really stereotyping where welders are and where welders came from. In today's fast-paced society with the technological advancements we have, the machines that we have to use, you've got to be more than just a hand. You've got to really know what you're doing. You've got to follow the WPS, because if you overheat the metal, things are going to happen in that heat affected zone. You've got to, you know, maintain the amount of reinforcement that the procedure and the company calls for, because you put on too much reinforcement, then you've changed the structure of the way that weld is going to perform. So welders are way more than just a skilled hand. We have to be really technologically trained. So I'll flip that back. Keegan, why do you think welding is more than just a skilled trade?
Well, if you go into any plant nowadays and you look at the welds that were made back in the 30s and the 40s and the 50s, they're really bad welds. It looks like they didn't have any kind of testing procedures back in the day. And nowadays, when you go on jobs, everything's x-rayed, everything's phase-rayed, and welders are held to a really high standard nowadays. So you have to be on your game with how processes work and how, you know, to make an efficient weld that has to carry oil or gas or water in it. So it's not just about making a weld and walking away from it. You have to make something that will last a really long time and pass all the tests that are needed to hold products through them.
That's right. So that's mine and Keegan's take on why we think welding is more than just a skilled trade. But in the comments, we want to know why you think welding is more than just a skilled trade. So let us know.
So hopefully you guys like this video. We'll be putting out more videos on our YouTube channel, so subscribe to that. And also check out our website. We have links, and we also have shop for clothing and a virtual tour. Until next time, see you there.